In this video, we will show you how to install the Geotab GO9 device. If you have any questions during device installation, please reach out to your authorized reseller. Begin by adding the Geotab Go device to your MyGeotab database. For information on this, please see our video, How to Add a Vehicle in MyGeotab. Next, document your device's serial number, which will be needed later to verify the installation.
Ensure your vehicle is in an area of clear sky view.
Start the ignition, and ensure that there are no illuminated dash warning lights, and that all other functions, such as headlamps and flashers, are working.
Then, ignition off the vehicle.
Locate the vehicle's engine diagnostic port, typically found in the driver's area, at or below knee level. For this video, we will be installing in a vehicle with a 16-pin AL-DL connector. Note that some vehicles have a different connector. Please contact your authorized reseller for heavy-duty connector applications or for other harnesses. Align the receiver end of the device with the engine diagnostic port and push in place, ensuring the device is well connected to the diagnostic port. Once connected, the device emits 6 quick beeps. After receiving power, the LEDs on the front of the device blink and then turn solid as the device is configured and connects back to the network. The device emits 2 quick beeps every 10 seconds during the initial setup, which may take several minutes to complete. Once all 3 LEDs turn solid and the device emits 10 quick beeps, secure the device using the provided cable tie. To check the device's status and verify installation, navigate to installmygps.com. Fill in your name, the company name, and the device serial number recorded earlier. On the following screen, green text indicates a successful installation, while red text indicates the installation should be inspected. After checking the installation, if the device is still not communicating, please contact technical support.
It starts simply by plugging in our Go device, and we'll do the work for you.